Take me down now, please.
Wait, Badaka to Rose.
Well, no, enough of mood. I'm Shakita, my friend.
Yeah. As me I say,
Mute her. You mute Shakita.
I don't know what about me, the people them. And I said, me I come down, I can't bother.
Akita unmute.
Go on and do the people, them. I'm not going to stay as an island. I'm going to go back and I can't tell the
June,
problem.
wait till
No,
the man and say something to
no.
you.
No, listen, I mean, Shaki, come
Make
just
that,
flash it down, make him go on.
make,
No,
make, make, make,
that's why I
make, make,
said
make
if he
Bala
feel
come
like that,
message me.
why is he over here? Because he
Oh.
been doing this. He was doing that even when Rose kids first got taken. He been in compromising boxes. He been doing this. He been doing this. So if you feel like that, the night that Rose kids got taken, he's the first one in the box. But if you feel like you don't have no loyalty, why are you over here? Why are you over here? Because you can't talk to me and friend my enemy. You can't do that. You can't do that. I'm sorry. Pick a side. And if you can't pick a side, I'll pick one for you. Because Rose don't have limited in. Rose don't have play enemies on the internet. Rose have real enemies that do her real things on this internet. So if you can't pick a side, I'll pick it for you.
But that miss it too.
well, we know that. We know that she have real enemy. And for them real enemy there, we understand. We already know where I try to work with the real enemy there. You understand?
Rose don't have a typical enemy that throw shade and do that. No, she have real enemies. Call the police, call CPS,
Call every
when
mama
she
blood
do
clot.
Right.
everything. Rose
Friend of
have
people that me
real
fuck.
fucking enemies on this
Of
internet.
course.
So if you can't pick a side, we'll pick one for you.
And as we said, that's why we deal with whosoever we are dealing with. And we know how we are dealing with them type of people. You understand me I say? We already are dealing with them type of people. That's how
And
we say
then
we don't want, we don't want no more
sit up
enemy.
here
We
and
don't want no
defend the
more
fact
enemy in the
you're gonna sit up some all bad court. You're gonna sit up here and defend the fact that you was in the box with Rebel and all the stuff that they were saying about Rose, even as far as going to talk about her kids, and you're gonna talk about that's your friend. So show me your company and I'll show you you.
Exactly, it all come down to pick a style.
Pick a
Rose,
side.
Rose, I want to ask you one question.
Spice, I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I'm not gonna really do this as saying.
Oh.
Because it's when you go around and
It's
you do
starting,
what you
remember,
do,
come soon and
and
do it.
and
Do what, Spike, when you come see we are
exactly,
do?
and you
No,
start it, Spice.
she has she not do it
You
right, yes,
know,
but you
No, but
guys
Spice,
when
have
I'm
you
been
start.
say
doing
you
it.
come
Spice,
see
you know,
we
say
are do,
unfair.
we
Is that
start it.
unfair? It's you started this morning, Spice, and you been a do all of these things.
You see,
Me
that's why I'm
taking as
glad.
my
Listen,
friend. What you mean
listen,
by?
That's why I'm glad the
Spice,
Rose
so what's
come.
someone woman like genuinely when I call and tell her my problem. You have to stop it. What you mean by? Remember that I
and
call and tell them personal problem? What the fuck you talk about? You been doing it. Don't tell me about people on TikTok. I'm
All
my
right, June,
friend youth.
make we deal with
Let me
it
tell
after
you my
the thing
mind.
there.
I'm my friend youth.
mm-hmm.
Look at call and tell me well, okay, fine. Shut up.
No, me I hear you, me I hear you.
It's okay.
Spike, just deal with it after if
No, me did
Spike
just
deal.
want to ask her if I haven't been a
It's
friend to her
okay.
because all these fans that is running with the story, haven't I been a friend to you, Rose?
It's
June,
okay.
I want
I'm
you
not
to
a
tell the
friend.
2,000 people over here, haven't I been a friend to you
Ask
over the
yourself that
years
in
No,
the people them
From
box.
no,
Instagram,
you've not been a friend.
apart from what the
No,
perception that
you
you
have not
people.
been a friend.
Oh,
You've
I'm
not been
asking,
a friend
baby girl, I'm
because
not
a
talking
friend
to,
love it at
I'm
all
not
times.
talking to you though. I'm
Wait,
asking
one at
Rose a
a time.
question.
Wait,
Allow me,
one at a
please.
time.
I'm really not asking.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
Who take him down?
We're gonna deal with this app. You know, so the people are
You
ready
have
to
not
stop
been a
it.
friend. So, and I know
If you
you
come, and
listen.
that's why I'm saying,
I
give me a
know
minute.
you
It
Give
come
me a
like
listen.
minute.
a
A
Wait
spice.
there,
friend
wait there.
love
Make
it
It
we
at
come
make
all
we
like a
talk
spice.
times.
What
everybody.
my
So
Make we
you
eye
make
know,
we
I know
like
you
deal.
have
yellow.
not been a friend
It's
because
like
if
yeah,
you can't be her friend
spice.
openly,
You know, see
on
the
a
somebody
public
a
platform,
spice.
no.
I see it. I left it. It come like say, yeah, look one argument. You know, so long I put the beer.
All right, watch out now. We're gonna bring this to an end. June, we
Humble.
talk about that after year. Just look at that.
Better
Right
friends.
now, it now go nowhere
Don't
right
never
here.
go
So
cause
part
it
of that
now go
everybody
done.
gonna
It
talk
can't
over
the
everybody.
problem.
Everybody gonna feel
I
like
know
say
you're no man
somebody
gonna do
gonna say
this.
something for them get aggravated and then it's gonna lead to something else. Not over here.
No.
Somebody will split them life and go on.
You know what? You know why I'm glad? You know why I'm saying me want her over here? You know why I'm saying me want Rose over here? Because now she attack what she feel and what she see happen. And if she can say what she has see a while
But
ago, that
the
means
spice
something
not
happen for real.
spice been out of the things I'm just left him. I just not
You see what I
talk to him
say?
no more about my business.
She an
I can't have a
idiot.
personal business. Me no want an argument with him again. Come on, I see him do these things. I'm gonna leave him. So him come, I'm gonna answer. Hey, I got too much, I got places too much.
Some people
My must can't
you
call
use
Toto
as
say Toto.
example. Some
Toto, my
people
must
you
can't
use as example.
listen, a barcode. I have a friend and come a friend and say, so I suck out last night and it tastes like sugar dip. It's can't friend like that. Woman can't tell my business. When Spice walk around and do this thing, Spice, I'm afraid to tell my business. I'm
Let
afraid
me tell you
I
something.
record him, I'm afraid of certain things, can't the judgment.
When
I'm
she
not
can't
fighting
find
a
a
place for ya.
when she can't find a one person, so she can't find a somebody, she can't find in a them. And if you reach to a point that she can confine in a spice, and if she can come with that, so she say, it means it reach to a point.
Spice make me can't trust him no more. That's why I been avoid him, because I do these things. And him show me no lie at them, I just leave it. Just leave
When
it.
him come up on the stop it, do not
And
take
that
him
is
down.
Just
Stop
leave
it.
it.
and
Me
that
can't
is
tell the
why I
problem,
said
just
to you,
leave
and
it.
that's why I said to you, Toto, I want Rose for there. You understand? Come on here from the one bag of people. I say, boy, them this say this and that. I want hear from fear mouth. And if she say what she say no, she no fucking idiot, bro.
Yo, Spice, what I deal with this half the year? Just
No, Toto.
because it never go nowhere, you're
Toto, I
suffering. It
just
never
want
go
to ask
nowhere.
one question, and I understand how you feel, June, and it appears when me appear in a people
Me
box. I'm
not go,
asking you a
me not go do
question.
this. Me not go do
Haven't
it. Me
I
not
been
go
a
do it.
friend
Me
to
not go do it. Me a
but
boy.
no
Me not go.
want talk, and when me I try get the clarity, no want have the conversation. Haven't I been a friend to you in front of the 2,000 people? I'm asking you a question. Haven't I been a friend to you over the years from Instagram? Haven't I been a friend? You can't answer the question them. So me not under una pussyfoot on the real issue, because if you have the conversation, if we really get to the conversation, it not go turn out very well, Cause I'm just this is who I am too, I just sit down and I just stand so back and stay to the side and just take all beating, Cause if you have the conversation, it's really not gonna end tonight. It's really not going to end tonight.
Spice.
Okay?
Spice.
All right,
Toto.
Spice, let me say something. Hold on, them head. Let me say something. Spice, me can answer for her. Yes, you've been a friend to her. But
So what
you
June
being
make
a
them know
friend
them
to
people
her,
are
not
running our
justify
head
your...
for?
Well, I know,
June know what
Spice.
she do. June know what she do. And just becoming a company here, so I celebrate the series every day and I say,
Yeah, but probably you not have no clarity. Why not take him down when you stop that, no, man?
But Toto, it's not about the series. This is not about he missing the point. This is not about the series.
Yeah, it better leave it alone because
Toto,
him
why is
not
it your
him
people
not
them stop taking me
understand.
down? Toto, you
Him
see the
not
that's why
understand and can go be
Toto,
pointless
that's why the
arguing
fans
with
them
him.
not
So
in the
leave him
conversation
alone.
here. Because
That's
see
why
No,
the
I
no,
tell
no,
you,
no,
if
no,
you
no,
Him
no,
leave
no,
it
not
no.
alone and make
understand.
we deal with it
Toto, and
outside.
No, no,
that's why
no.
the fans must not be in this conversation.
Spice,
And this
but
is not a
listen up, me
conversation
remember me, I
because
tell you, so
what
put
I
us
do
never
now,
that
when
way,
I
you know,
try.
and let it go.
Toto, what is happening now? What is happening
Moderator,
now?
hold
Hold
the
on the
comment
bother.
section.
Hold on the bother. Okay, so what is happening now? When I
Hold the
try
comment
pushing me
section.
up, because the truth of the conversation cannot happen on social
No,
media
no, no, no,
of
no,
what
no, no.
really went
No,
down. So
no,
me
no,
don't
no,
try
no,
to
no,
play
no.
that. Don't try
No,
to
no,
play that
no.
with me.
Hold on, Spice.
But
Wait a
that's what I
minute.
say, Spice.
This is not about. Wait a minute, Better Court. This is not.
Baby girl,
This
una
has
comment
nothing
on
to do
some
with the
things when you don't have
series.
the detail too. So not because you
But
see
this has
something,
What
nothing
una
to
to
turn
want
on
do
by
with
the
the
comment,
comment?
una
If
do
you
too
want to
series.
pass
much.
the comment,
Hold the
somebody can
comment
turn it
section.
on.
Moderator, hold the comment section. Thanks.
Oh, sir, this has something there.
Spicy. This has nothing to do with the series. This has everything to do with you associating
Oh
yourself
my God.
with people who has done Rose real harm.
And I'm saying there are
Can you
conversation that
understand that?
they are part of the story that is not here. And it's a try look like basically Toto, because you know what's going on right here. So no really I try for pussy me up and make it look like some is a pussy friend.
Oh,
And I don't
me?
like that. Because uno knows me being a friend to June. So if
All
we
right.
really have the conversation about where this started from,
Yeah, but
Toto, it not
Spice, you
gonna
didn't
end
hear what she
well.
said. Yeah, Spice, what I know? You didn't hear she said the problem what she have with you.
But
You
look like
didn't hear she
Spice,
said.
but
I'm gonna
look
step
like Spice
outside.
want bust out some secret right here.
If
So
No,
Spice
no
that
didn't hear
secret
she
now,
said the
boss. So that's
problem
your
what she have
and a
with you
Spice
as
secret me
a
a
up
talk
friend.
about. No secret
Spice
now
up
go
a
boss.
boy.
And a secret
Spice.
now
If
for
Spice,
boss.
well,
You
I
never
know,
get
mute,
that
now,
from
Spice
me.
mute, on
a
the mute.
hypocrite.
On the mute. Spice didn't hear what the girl just said a while ago, the problem what she have with you as a friend. You didn't hear she said, what you want me for do?
Yeah, but where the fans them in the conversation for? Where them fans are come
So that's why
from?
me I said to you, say, we'll come up here, Munchi explain something. We say, all right, done, we're going to deal with it outer road. We're going to deal with it across the street. You still want to ask her the question, and I say,
Toto, but
we
listen
deal
up,
with it
Toto.
half of
Remember
this.
now. All right, look at it publicly. Look at it publicly. uno pussy me up because the full conversation cannot
Uno
happen.
who?
Well, Anna Toto, basically what happened right here today, not personalized to you. What happened on this platform today, when I make it look like I'm a pussy friend. You get what I'm saying? Uno pussy me up. And listen and then now, a part of the conversation that's not being had in public, uno gonna tell me, said that side is going to have off the...
Why not? I mute?
No, me I say after uno pussy me up in public, the part of the conversation now is going to happen off the internet. The side conversation will
But
happen.
Spice, remember you say, oh, this a part of, remember you said the fans are not supposed to unite, you know. So I say, all right, then I could take it to outer street, then I could take it across the street.
All right,
And you just said that a while ago, you know.
all right.
But
Such
spicy,
honestly,
spicy.
I'm not so. Hold on, the
But
baby girl.
Well,
I'm
let
not
Spice
so
finish
honest.
that.
May I be
Let
very
Spice talk.
honest. May I be very honest with you? You see what happened on social media? Because you people don't know me. You people don't know me as a person. You people don't know how I show up as a friend. And that's why I asked the question to Rosealee and Toto or Munchi that would have known. From Instagram days, Instagram live, me and Rosealee I come from. You people don't know the half of it. And that's why I asked her the question, have I been a friend to you?
Okay,
And that's for sure.
okay, but
I
you're
know.
talking about
Well,
the
on the baby
past.
girl. Well, on the baby girl.
Let's talk about the
Baby girl.
present.
Baby girl, in every friendship.
Hold on, because Rose is not here to answer that question.
What a mute her for?
And I did not. I don't know who did.